Meaning of elementary school.
Elementary school.
Elementary school.
Elementary school.
Elementary school. Elementary school is a term used to describe the first stage of formal education in many countries. It typically refers to a school attended by children between the ages of 6 to 12 years old, who are in grades 1 to 6 or 7. The purpose of elementary school is to provide a foundation for learning, focusing on basic subjects such as math, science, reading, and social studies. Students also learn important skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and communication. Overall, elementary school plays a crucial role in shaping a child's academic and personal development.